my channel. It's your girl Gloria B. I don't even think I say that anymore. Anyway, just getting into the video. We are back. What's up, boo? Hey, cousin. We back with another video. We are doing a girl talk, okay? So come on in, sit down. Let's talk about it. I also have my notebook right here with my points and stuff written down. So if I'm looking down, then looking back at the camera, you already know what's up. So we talk about friend favoritism because I see it very common in friendships that this goes on. I see it mostly common in groups, like where there are a group of girls. It's like it usually starts off with like a trio or something like that, that you see the friend favoritism taking place. So I decided to do a girl talk on it because maybe you came to this video because you're feeling like somebody's showing favoritism against you towards another friend or something like that, and you need to know if you tripping or not. And I'm here to let you know if you tripping or not. Okay, so like I said, this starts off with most of the girls are in groups of 3. So there's 3 friends. They call themselves, they in a group, they have a group chat, they hang out, they are saying, hey, we're a group, we're all friends. And it comes along the lines where somebody notices that somebody is playing favorites. So maybe you feel like you've been treated differently, maybe something is going on, but I'm just giving you a few points to just let you know if you're being played against somebody else as far as friend favoritism. So the first thing is that you're the last to know things. This is mostly how it occurs. Say you be like, oh, what happened to so-and-so, so-and-so? And they be like, oh, we fell out, we this, we that. And it comes to your attention that basically the other friend knew and you didn't. Basically, you were the last one to know. So you feel like, wow, like, when did you tell them and then tell me? Why did you tell them and then tell me? We're in a group chat together. Why did I not know about this? Like, why did you personally tell her? Yeah, I didn't know until basically I asked, or to a time, maybe a time period after you already had the conversation with the other friend. So you're told things last, like, and you're wondering like, why am I told things last? Because they playing favorites. Instead of going to you, or instead of going in the group chat and informing y'all both, or informing everybody of what's going on, they decide to go and tell one person personally. Because I've seen it happen before in groups where it's the thing that, you know, it's kind of little indications that let you know that the other friend already knew, because the other friend might come in the group chat and be like, yeah, when she told me, I was like da, 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 da. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, oh, you knew, so why didn't I know, type of stuff. And you know, don't look, this is what we not doing this year. We not giving nobody the benefit of the doubt. Whatever they show you, they are, okay? So if they told somebody else, then tell you, y'all in the group, and it be kind of weird too, but it can, because it be like, why would you even, like, you know, we discuss everything in the group chat, but yet when it comes down to certain stuff, you want to tell them and not tell me. And if I don't never ask, I will never know type stuff. It's like, nah, like, they favor that other person. They favor going and telling them news or telling them things than they will you. So it don't even have to be bad news. It could be like them getting a car, them getting a house, them getting a new job, whatever it is. They don't tell you, they tell the other person first. Maybe the other friend finds out personally, meanwhile you find out through a post or something like that. You get what I'm saying? Like, they playing favorites. That's exactly what they're doing. The second thing is you're left out of things to the point where they don't even tell you. So like different activities or functions, or they're going out or something like that, they don't tell you. So basically, say they have a girls night, and say the only way you find out that they had a girls night is you get on Snapchat and you go through your stories and you look at theirs and they hanging out together. Meanwhile, you were told nothing about it. They didn't indicate in any kind of way that they were going out tonight, yet they decided to go out and not include you. So at the end of the day, it's real petty, because how you gonna plan something and then nobody think, let's invite da da da, you know what I'm saying? But instead they just try to say, hey, me and you, we gonna go to the Mexican restaurant, me and you, we gonna go to this club, me and you, we gonna go this, we gonna do that. And nobody thought to say, hey, let's invite her, this, that, or whatever. And don't listen to no excuses. It ain't no, we didn't think you want to come. It ain't no you had a lot going on, so we didn't want, you know, that's even more of a reason to invite you. If they feel like you have a lot going on, you going through stuff, I would be like, hey, let's invite so she been going through a rough period, let's get her out, let's let her have some fun, something like that. I wouldn't sit there and not include you and then not even invite you at all. The least that a friend group can do to a group of friends is extend an invitation. Okay, let me know. It's up to me to turn it down or not, but at least let me know. But if you're gonna sit there and y'all had all these plans and I didn't know nothing about it, but I see y'all on social media having fun, this, that, or whatever together, or they can really be petty enough to indicate that they really weren't trying to invite you, because they'll drop something in the group chat like, look at so-and-so, she turning up or something like that, and you like, when did y'all decide y'all was gonna do all this? They was playing favorites against you. That's all they were doing. And so number 3 is they'll call you out on your BS, but they don't call the other friend out on theirs. So say, let me see, what did I write down? They'll tell you when you're tripping, being dramatic, or are in the wrong, but the other friend is never in the wrong, the other friend is never tripping, the other friend is never being dramatic. So say y'all having a group discussion and it gets a little heated or something like that, and say the friend they'll come at you. They'll say you tripping, or stop being so sensitive, or stop being so dramatic. Yeah, you know you weren't in the wrong. Obviously somebody else said or did something to you, but they ain't gonna call them out, but they gonna call you out. They gonna say you doing this, you doing that, you need to stop doing this, you need to stop doing that. But it's never the other friend. Yeah, they basically playing favorites, because really, if I'm in the wrong, why they ain't never in the wrong? Why I'm the one that's always in the wrong? You get what I'm saying? So you have to check that. You have to pay attention to stuff like that. When it come down to your situations, like say if you tell how somebody done piss you off or something like that, and they be like, you really need to chill out, like you doing too much type stuff. But say the other friend get in there heated, I mean upset, and all of a sudden it's, friend, feel how you feel and stand on it, you know what I'm saying, type stuff. And it's like, what? And obviously all the other friends doing is having their own little pity party. They probably spoiled and ain't getting their way or something petty, but yet they'll sit there and boost them and hype them up and be like, girl, you gonna feel how you feel. That was wrong. What they did was wrong, this, that, whatever. But they ain't never tripping. They ain't never doing too much. They don't never need to calm down, but you always need to calm down. You always doing too much. Okay, also another thing that comes with that, they call you out on your BS and stuff. So say when it comes down to y'all always having discussions or something, there's this thing where they always like to challenge you. They always like to, I guess, debate with you or come at you some type of way. But when it come down to the other friend and them having a conversation, they ain't never challenged, they ain't never debated. There's never nothing that says you need to open your mind, like let's think about it like this. But when it come down to you, they always want to come at you. They always want to say what you doing wrong, what you said was wrong, how you don't need to think like that and stuff like that. Yeah, they seriously playing favorites, because if they can always come at you and say something to you, it ought to be an equal balance between everybody. Don't just always come at me. Anything I say is wrong. Anything, my opinions are wrong. What I feel, what I think is wrong. But yet anything else, whatever so-and-so do, they right. They're so smart. They're this, they're that. Yeah, okay. Playing favorites. Number 4, you're not giving the same energy and support as another friend is giving. So say, and I see this all the time. I see this on social media a lot. I know these girls are friends. Like, y'all basically let everybody know that y'all friends. This my bestie, stuff like that. But you notice that another friend is getting hyped up, and another friend is getting supported, and another friend is getting encouraged and motivated more than the other friend is. So say one of the girls, say you, I'm talking about you, say you put up a picture. Okay, no, let's start with the other friend first. Say one friend put up a picture and the other friend get on there liking, commenting, sharing, reacting. Yes, that's my best type stuff. Okay, say they doing it. Then when you put up a picture, they might like it a couple of days, hours later, something like that. But they don't share, they don't comment, they don't even they don't support you in the same way. But when the other friend put up a picture, oh, it's a big celebration, sharing, look at my best to show out, or don't play with her, she is not one of them, you know, type stuff. But when it come down to you, it's a like. They ain't even hearted. They like that. They got you the basic like. Playing favorites. Because then at the end of the day, most of the time the other friend don't even be near as bad, or the other friend picture don't even look near as good as the picture that it be jealousy, really. Oh, I can't. Oh, it be jealousy, really. I'm telling you, because what I be seeing is going on in group chats and stuff, or what I be seeing is going on social media. I be like, now you know daggone well that girl picture do not look that good. Meanwhile, the one that look good, the one that look like a model, the one whose picture looks flawless, she poses, she pretty, she got that outfit going on, you don't say nothing. Okay, because it be jealousy and you playing favorites, period. Okay, moving on. When it comes down to social media, pay attention. When it comes down to social media, so say you put some up, no, say the other friend put some up on a story or something like that, and the other friend get in the group chat, girl, I just see your story, what y'all over there doing, so crazy. But when it come down to you, they barely watch your story. They don't even if they do, they don't say nothing about it. You could be looking good or something, they don't say nothing about it. But the other friend, they stay updated on what they doing, what they putting up, what they posting and stuff like that. You see what I'm talking about? Or it could even come down to they always showing up for the other friend. The other friend say, hey, I need y'all to be at this event, I'm hosting this event, or I'm doing this, or I'm doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like for business people, for business friends, this is common too. So say like you saying, hey, I'm hosting this event, I'm doing this pop-up shop, or hey, I'm hosting this class, can y'all show up to support me? And the other friend will be there in a heartbeat. Best, you know I'm gonna be there, you know I got you. But you can say, hey, can y'all show up? I'm doing this, or hey, I'm having a birthday party for my child, or I'm doing something, and they got excuses for why they can't do it. When you know good and well they'll be running if so-and-so has said, can they show up? You see what I'm saying? Okay, playing favorites. They not showing up for you, they not supporting you, they don't near about give you the same encouragement or the same positivity that they give the other friend. The last thing, and one of the most noticeable things, is they don't communicate with you like they do the other friends. So y'all know how I said in the beginning, like how really sometimes friends be having personal conversations outside the group chat than you. That stuff, because also it can play into the fact, like say ain't nobody talking in the group chat in a couple of days, but yet you notice that they still talking, they still communicating, and it's like ain't nobody personally text you at all, but yet they personally texting each other. From what I have seen, okay, so say there has been a big argument in the group chat and people fall out, yeah, they stop talking to you, but yet they still communicating with each other because they playing favorites. Because if we all in the group chat and we fall out some kind of way, but at the end of the day don't nobody hit you up, but on some random day, most of the time it be you have to be the one to go in the group chat and be like, hey, what y'all doing? What y'all doing this? Da, 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 da. Okay, playing favorites, because at the end of the day, if y'all can still talk outside the group chat, and ain't nobody talking to the group chat, why ain't nobody talking to me? Why ain't nobody personally text me? The only time y'all really do talk as friends is in the group chat with you. That's the only time y'all really do talk. They don't never personally text you, personally call you, personally check up on you. Only in the group chat is when y'all have a conversation. No, you are not the favorite friend. They are playing favorites. So that was the last point. That was point number 5. And I hope that helped anybody to identify if they're being played as a friend against another friend. Like I said, we're not giving nobody the benefit of the doubt. If you're in any type of friend group like this, you need to remove yourself. You deserve friends that are friends to you and friends with you, okay? So let's not, if you came to this video and you were going back and forth in your head if you're being played favorite against somebody else, then most likely you are. So let's not play with it. I hope this video helped somebody. Leave any questions down below if you have any. Y'all know these girl talks, we gonna keep on going with them, okay? Also, make sure that you like this video if you like any other things that I said in here, or if you like my outfit, or if you just like me. Like the video, please comment and share, and also make sure that you subscribe and comment down below when you do, so I can thank you personally. Always remember to do y'all best, okay? Do your best in everything, and never forget to pray, and never forget to manifest, okay? I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.